Hello there. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can design stunning book cover. My name is Kayode, the founder of DigiSmart Concept. So let's get started. The first thing we want to do is to set our layout. So what do? We go to this three dot here, okay, and then we set our image size. So I want to leave the image size at 1800. Let's leave it 1800 by 2560. Okay, perfect. So the next thing I want to do now is to go and bring what I will need, the elements I will need for my design. So I want to design a book cover for a daily bread devotional. So let's see. Okay, the first thing I want to do, now let me give this color, I'll give this color white. So I'll click on this and then click on this color palette there. Let me look for white. Okay, this is white. I'm good. Now the next thing I want to do is to put in the text. So let's go to the text. I click on the the third button. Okay, the A button, sorry. Then text. Then edit. Now, daily bread. Let me type. Daily bread. Okay. So then let me bring the font I want to use. I'll go to font. Let me go to font. Okay. My font. Let me see. Okay, I think I like this one. Oh, good. I think I like this one. Daily bread. Okay. Then devotional. I'll type devotional as well. Now that devotional should be red. Devotional. I'll put it here. Let me see what I can use for that one. Let me use meme font for that one. Devotional. Okay. Let me reduce it and stretch it. I will reduce it. And let me go and stretch it and see. Spacing. Okay. Now let me apply gradient color to this. Apply gradient color to this. So I'll go to color. I'll click on gradient. Actually, this is it. But let me show you how I got that. So you can pick on any of this. Then you click on this plus button. Now this place and this place. So I will give this place blue. I'll click on this color palette here. Then select blue here. Then OK it. Then come to this left side. Okay. And then click on this color palette and give it red. Okay. OK it. Okay. So let's see how it will look. Okay, I don't want it to look like that. I want it to be, so I will change it here. I think I prefer this one. Let's see. Okay, so it's good like this. So the next thing I want to do now is to change this devotional to red. I'll just change the color to red. Change to red. Okay, this is looking good. Then the year. So let me type the year. January to December 2023. So I'll type that one there. January. Okay, so I've typed in the year. Now let me just reduce it. Okay, put it here. Okay. Let me put it inside a shape. Click on the shape, shape it. Give it a radius, maybe 13. Go to fill, put it at 0, place it at 0. Then come to stroke, give it 3 or 2. Let me give it 2. And then the color of the stroke is it red or blue? Okay, let me give it blue. Then okay it. What do we have? Okay, something like this. That's good. So now this one now, let me put in it. Okay. Put in it. Let me change the color also to blue. Okay. And let me increase the size a little. Okay. Let's see. Put it here. Okay, let me now adjust the inside of it. Let me lock this one so I can adjust the inside. Okay. Reduce this. Okay, I think it's okay like this. Good. So the next thing I want to do now is to, okay, before I bring in the image, let me draw another shape. Okay, another shape, put it here. Let me reduce it a little. Then I will apply the same color gradient I applied the other time. So I'll go to color, this red gradient, this one. Okay, now that I have this, what else do I need to do? Okay, I need to bring in a logo, then an image. That's all I need to do now. So let's get going. So let me go and bring in the image of a bread. Okay, so let's pick the image, the bread image that we are going to use. Okay, so I have this bread image here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to faint it. Let's say opacity. I'll click on opacity. Then I will try to reduce it. Okay, let me try and tilt it. It'll look like that. Okay. Then the next thing I want to do is to bring in, I think I'm almost done. Let me just bring in the logo and add a few effects. So I'll bring in the logo. Okay, where's the logo? Okay, let me use this one. Redeem logo, let me put it there. Okay, circulate and bring it here. Now let me reduce it. Reduce it. So let me put, I think what I have left is, let me put 2 effects there. 2 effects, I'll go to that effect, go to my gallery. Okay, I take this one, glow effect. Now let me go and take another one, the other effect there. Okay, this one. Okay, okay, let me hide them. Now let me work on this one. Now for this one now, I want to change it to blue. Let's color. I want to change it to blue. Okay. So let me change it to blue. Okay, and apply it here. Take it here like this. Okay, let me duplicate it. Duplicate and take another one here. Okay. Okay. See this one here like this. Okay, it's good. And what's next? Okay, let me bring the other effect. This one now. Now this one, I don't want blue. I want it to be still be black and white. Okay, so I will stretch it. I think this black is somehow. Let's see white. Okay, then okay, it's everywhere now. Now let me now reduce the opacity. Then let me use black. Okay, reduce the opacity. Okay, this is great. So I can send it to the back. Let's see. Okay, and this is good. Now if I want to reduce the opacity, I can still do that. Go back to it. Where are you? This one. And opacity. That's one. Okay, I think I prefer it like this. Now that I have done this, I will just, what is left is for me to type my name and a short text there. So I'll go to A, the name of the author. So I'll put okay. Do it here. Reduce the color. I mean change the color to white. Reduce it. Okay, then center it. Then I can bolden it. Or I should use, let me use the meme font. Great. So let me now center it. Relative position. center. Good. So what's left? Okay, let me put a short test there. I am the bread of life. But have eternal life. Okay. Now I'll bring it here. Let me reduce it. Yeah. Okay. Change the color. Again, the color to blue. Okay. Bolden it. Okay. And then align it to center. Okay. Then relative position. Relative position. Center. Good. Now I am done with the front page. So what I need to do now is to now design a mock-up for this front page. So this is the same method you will use to design the back page, and then you are good. So let's go over to the mock-up. Let's go over to the mock-up. So what we do now is to save. Save image. Okay. Now head on to your browser and type DIY book covers. Okay, bookcovers.com. Covers.com. DIYbookcovers.com. So I will go to that. Good. This is the site. So that I will use to do my mockup. Now, since I only have one page, so I will go for, let me go for single, and then I'll click the one I want. There are different formats, so I'll click for the one I want. I think I prefer this one, so let me go for this. So, and then I'll click next. Then I will try and browse for that book design. Okay, this is it. I'll click on it. Then I will click on upload. Okay, so I will allow you to upload 100%. Okay, that's uploaded. Then I'll click on next. Okay, this is it. Then I'll click the format that I want, JPG. I'll click on JPG, and then I'll wait for it to do the mockup. All right, let's wait. Okay, now let's open it. Click on open. Ta-da! So this is it. Very nice, right? So that is how to design a book cover mockup, a book cover for your book, and you can also present it using a mockup. All right, so that will be all for now. If you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe so that you can have updates on stunning and amazing designs like this one. Okay, see you in the next tutorial.